Hi guys, and it's me again as usual. I always say that, but anyway, today is a big day. I've been waiting for about a week, and I thought I would do a test, and I went online. I've never done online shopping for plants because I live in Cyprus, and usually people don't. It's always hard, basically, to get things online here, but I went onto a site in Turkey and saw some plants, and I thought, you know what, I'm just going to test this out and see if it's going to work and how much it's going to cost me and is it worth it. So I ordered the plants. They've been in this box for 5 days. It was a bit complicated. I had to pay for cargo, then the plants got sent somewhere else. Then I had to pay to get them out of there, and it's just a long story. But anyway, I got the plants in the end. Now, I opened the box already, but I haven't taken any of the plants out of their little packaging. It's actually quite funny. You guys are going to probably think, what the hell? The way they wrap these plants up is hilarious. Sorry about my bird. He's shouting again, as usual. So I'm going to basically unwrap. Some of these plants were on my wish list because you can't find them in Cyprus. And yeah, I'm going to start opening. So I will start with this. Charlie! Sorry guys. Now I don't even know where to start. Look how they've put it in a plastic cup, but it's quite clever, and they've come in their pots with their dirt in it, their soil, and this one is a cactus, so they've put foam in it so it doesn't break. Charlie, come on. Right. Oh god, this is gonna be a bit awkward. I don't want to break it. Right, guys, I think I'm going to have to speed this up a bit because this is going to be... Hello, it's me again. I've sorted out, I unwrapped. It was a nightmare. I was scared. But anyway, touch wood, so far so good. Things are okay with the plants. They're not exactly what they look like in the photos. Some of them are, some of them aren't. But I am happy because these plants stayed in, you know, they've been travelling for a while and they've been in a dark place. Some of them are not in good condition, but I'll start and we'll go along anyway. We'll go through my plants. I got this one. This is the first plant on my list and it looks terrible. I mean, look, that leaf's about to go as well. I've lost 6 leaves and 7 with that one. But the soil on this one was damp Oh, I didn't say what it is. Peperomia Milano. But I'm not going to be... The leaves that are left... Oh, that's been munched. The leaves that are left are... Okay, they're healthy. And I have got... If you can see... There's tiny little green growth. I'll hold it there so you can see. So I think this will survive. I'm hoping. It's going to take a while. And look, there's some rotten leaves in there. But that was my first plant. And I will do, look, I'll hold it here so you can see. And I will put the picture that was online so you can see what it was. So that's what I wanted. And this is what I got. But anyway, that's the worst plant that I've got off of these guys. So I'm still happy with it. Next one was this. This is Peperomia turtle, string of turtle shells, or you know what it is. But the new leaves on it, the little baby ones, they look okay. But the big leaves are very yellow and you can't see their, you know, the pattern on them. So this is what I got and that's what I wanted. But you know what? I'm still happy with this. I'm hoping I can revive it. Maybe from travelling. The soil is wet. I think too much water. It's gone yellow, obviously. So maybe when it dries out, you know, I'm going to try and give it some TLC. And hopefully it will recover. So, but I'm still happy. This was on my wish list. I really wanted this and cannot find this in Cyprus. So I'm hoping that... yeah, it will recover and not die. Don't die, please, turtle. Right, next one. Next one is this. This is an Echeveria Pulvinata Ruby Blush. Please forgive me if I am pronouncing these wrong. Now, I wanted this because I've got a frosty version of this outside. And... yeah, I'm happy with this. It's got really nice, it's actually so furry. Even the little trunk is furry on it. But I'm hoping with TLC it'll be fine. So that's my ruby blush. So happy with that. And the soil's very dry on that one. So that's probably why it made it all right. This is my next buy. I am not going to say this right, but Haworthia cooperi. I always wanted one of these. And it is exactly what I thought it would look like. It's beautiful. Look at that. So shiny and beautiful. So that's what I got. Very happy with that. Next is... my Kalanchoe, you know I love my Kalanchoe, red lips. So, not bad. It's a bit, when you look on this side, a little bit one leaf is rotten. Because these guys, they didn't take it out of the soil. So, I'm actually thinking, I thought they'd be in worse condition. But I'll do before and after. Well, not before and after. You know what I mean. But I'm hoping with... you know, once I put it in the sun but I think it's quite a good size, guys. I'm happy with that. Next is my Kalanchoe. Kalanchoe again. Copper spoons. I really wanted one of these. And it's exactly what I thought it would look like. I love the leaves. They're so, they're lovely. And yeah, to me, it looks like the picture that I saw. So I'm actually really happy with that. And this one, I'm not even going to try and say what this is, but this is I got this from the cactus section. And I actually got it because it looks like cucumbers. I just thought, I love cucumbers and this is so strange. And I've never seen one of these in Cyprus. And like I said, I'm not even going to try and say it. But this is exactly what... to be honest, nearly exactly what the picture was. You know, I can't focus. But yeah, I think that's perfect. That one. And now, this one. Guys, this is meant to be I'm going to try and say it, Graptopetalum, Pachyphyllum, Bluebeam. Now, let's compare. This is what I got. And, yeah, doesn't look nothing like the picture. Nothing like the picture. But I'm hoping it will start looking like the picture. Hopefully. So that's meant to be a Bluebeam. Never seen it in Cyprus. It's got some babies in there. Leaves have fallen off, a few leaves, and the soil's really dry. So hopefully with a bit of TLC, it will come to life. So that's my Bluebeam. Now, this one is Sedum Lucidum Obesum. Doesn't look like the picture, but I actually ordered this, and this is what I found online. Sedum Lucidum does look like this. So I'm happy it came like this, because the picture I was confused. I was like, okay, that says Sedum Lucidum, but it just don't look like it. So happy with that. Very nice. Diddy. That's that one. I'm just piling them up on the side. And next, another Peperomia. You know what? I'm actually, all right, they're a bit, because the soil would come out and it's a bit of a wreck, these two. Leaves have fallen off, you know. But the picture showed one, and I've actually been given two. So I thought there'd be one of these. So I'm actually happy with that. So this is what I got. That's what I thought I was going to get. So I'm actually happy with that. I'm not even going to try and say it. Nah, sod it. I'm going to try and say it. Dolabriformis prayer. Peperomia. Blah, blah. Very nice. Next. Pink jelly bean. Which is not pink at the moment. But it's going to be pink, hopefully. But I'm happy with that. It's got loads of babies. A few big leaves in there. And it looks really healthy, considering it's been in a box for a week. So I'm happy with that. And I love jelly beans. So I just had to order that. Next is my wish list. I've wished for this and dreamt about this string of hearts, which don't look very healthy. But it's got a long string of heart on it. And they did say 4 or 5 roots it would have. And it actually, I checked, it's got more than that. But the leaves have dried up. The leaves are so dry on it. So I'm just going to let these guys rest a bit and hopefully they'll recover. And I'm praying that I don't lose this string of hearts, because we don't have it here. And I wanted to propagate these and, you know, do stuff with it. But anyway, this is what I got. And that is what they showed me I would get. But like I said, the leaves are a bit wrinkly. So I'm just going to let it chill and get some air. And hopefully it will revive. Next is this. Now, I don't know what this is. Seriously, oh look, it's losing leaves. It looks like a jelly bean, but it's not. I know it's not a jelly bean, but it's like a purpley green colour, and I presume when it's in the sun it goes a different colour. It's lost loads of, like, it looks like leaves in the bottom, and it's got leaves hanging off of it, so this one had a bit of trauma. But this is meant to be Sedum album Fara. Now, this looks nothing like the picture. Nothing like the picture. It's not red, it's not this, it's not that. But it's a purpley, reddy cut. But you know what? I like it anyway. I love jelly beans. And things that look like jelly beans, I love them as well. So, yeah, I'm happy with that as well. You know that they're going to recover anyway. And this one. Nah. I actually messed up. This is also a Bluebeam. Now, for some reason, on the other Bluebeam, which I'll show you again, they're meant to be the same plant. They look absolutely nothing alike. But this one was a different picture. And this one's picture, it looked different. But anyway, they look different. So I'll show you this one's picture. And I ordered it. I just liked the way it looked and I didn't read it. But it's meant to be a Bluebeam as well. But this looks more like the picture than the other one does. So anyway, we'll see. But I personally think, I'll show you that. That's what I've got. And there's the other one. So, guys, do these look the same? I don't think so. But anyway, so that's that one. And then, a surprise, I got this. I didn't order this. I didn't pay for this. Now, I don't know if they put this in as a present because they knew I was going to get problems with these plants. Or did they just throw the, you know, by accident, give me an extra one. So, guys, I have no idea what this is. But I love it. I really love it. And I probably would have ordered it. So I'm really happy. Like, I'm hoping this company gave this as a present to me. Because it was chucked in the box. And I was thinking, I did not order anything that looks like that. But anyway, this was an extra plant in the box that I didn't pay for. It's a freebie. And I love freebies. So if anyone knows what this is, feel free to write in the comment box. I have no idea. I'm going to try and look it up. But if you look at the leaves, they sort of got a tiny little pattern in them. But it's really big as well. Like, it's full up. So I might do this as a hanging one. A hanging basket would be nice. Because I love string of pearls and things like that. And like, maybe this is a string of something. Like a string of needles or a string of... Well, I'm going to find out. But yeah, guys. So that was my first ever online shopping from Turkey. And it's not too bad. All right, I paid to get it out of quarantine or whatever you want to call it. And they were a bit funny about giving it to me because they sent it over in, you know, pots. But anyway, I got them in the end and I'm really happy. And yeah, that was my video for today. Thank you for watching and I'll be posting again soon. Take care. Bye.